This is CSX, Ben. And guys, Ben, there was a couple of things, and I want to do a video real quick. So they asked me if I could put in a mechanical doorbell. There is a wire in there. Okay. Cameron. On the floor?
Yes.
Yeah, I got that. Cameron, have the guys come back in here. There's a gouge on one of the pieces of the flooring. Where's it at? There it is, I see it.
Right here and then right here.
So I've got 3 or 4 pieces to replace, Cameron. Is that bad spot?
I think that's it. I think there was something here, but I think it was just a mark of this. I don't think it was
Sorry.
that was into. I don't think it got into the flooring itself.
Got it. No worries. All right, guys. So Ben, also, I'm gonna have you disconnect the electric. There's one in here for the microwaves. Just disconnect it, make it safe in the box. So that way I can get them to cut it. Kyle, can you get a double bowl sink and a new faucet over to Whitaker? And then Nick, can you have the guys take this out Thursday afternoon? Donnie's going to come back in. So Thursday afternoon, plumbing disconnect, demo this stuff, and then Friday morning, Donnie comes in. Friday after lunch, y'all can come back with plumbing, and then Monday, Ben, you come back in with the electric, and that should be us.